Orientation na ito ng gising at pakikinig at may intindihan na i-discuss ito sa unahan. Ano? Tama mali. Ayun. Para mas, mas nakakausap ko yung CSD. The one and only Professor Ivana Jardine Arnold.
Thank you so much, Sir Renato. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. I'm Ivana Jardine Arnold. I'm the current chairperson for the Department of Computer Studies, which houses both the programs Information Technology and Computer Science. So, though medyo gloomy ang weather, pawapo, hindi siya clear skin, it all affected his journey throughout.
Director for Instructions, Dr. Ardel G. Santos.
Thank you, Sir Renato. I wish new entrant din ako, no? Kasi very inspiring darating natin kay Ma'am Ivana. Parang start pa lang ay marami tayong matututunan sa napili ninyong programa. So, nasan yung mga information technology students? Palakpak na, para marinig natin. Yung mga computer science. So, sana yung mga magulang, dito rin. Ito pong orientation na ito ay ginagawa natin yearly para sa mga inyong entrance, no? Wherein, kung meron pa kayong mga katalunan, hindi lang magtapos doon sa kayo ay makatapos ang inyong pag-aaral. But then,
continue our program. Let's do a roll call. Kanina pa lang binabanggit yung klase ng important klase ng CS. I-acknowledge natin na talagang nakikita ng lahat kung sino ba dito ang enrolled for information technology and sino ang nasa computer science. Alright, nasa mga mga students ng information technology, taas mo kamay. Ayan, tapos malakpak. Okay. Alright, nasa naman mga computer science students. Ayun, ayan. Alright. And now, to continue, let's proceed with the presentation of faculty members. Yes.
Kung kayo po ay, katulad mo lang sinabi ko, kung kanina po ay nagtatanong pa tayo kung sino yung faculty member namin na medyo hindi po pinalad ng talent sa stage ng first year kasi nga po ay madami siyang insecurities. Ay dititipid po ako para mapatunayan yung medyo blasting na ako talaga ang bata.
Ako pala yung kanina talaga. Grabe naman puro flat. I think na-redeem ko naman yung sarili ko.
Para parang sa hindi ko agad napatunayan ng mga bata na hindi ka lang flat ko ba?
Okay. Diba, nakikita at nakikita nyo naman yun. Totoo ba? Ano natin? Ayan, ready na tayo sa... Alright, so yes, ready na tayo start. Thank you so much, Mami. Super talaga ako. So dapat ito samahan talaga ako ni Ivana. So for our department chairperson, let's all welcome Professor Ivana Jardine Arnold. Ang handle the subjects ni Ma'am ay ITEC 200B, which is Capstone Project and Research 2, and INSIP 55, which is System Analysis and Design. Alright, so Ma'am Ivana. Our next faculty member is yours truly and Renata Iwalista Jr. Ang subjects mo na handle ko ay DCIT 50, which is Object-Oriented Programming, DCIT 65, which is Social and Professional Issues, and ITEC 200B, which is Capstone Project and Research 2. Ako rin po ang current na BITE Senior Advisor. Ayan, ang organization natin for information technology, which is makikilala natin po later sa ating program. Alright, next faculty member, we have Ms. Janessa Margel S. Cruz. Ayan. Si Ma'am po natin current BITE Junior Advisor. Again, BITE po ang ating student organization for the information technology students. Under po ang ating department. Ayan, ang ating pong handle the subjects ay COSI 101, which is Computer Graphics and Visual Computing. Parang si Ma'am Ana yung sa dinidescribe ni Ma'am Ivana kayo na talagang sa skills Our next faculty member, we have our Director for Research and Extension, Dr. Aris M. Guerrera. Ang subjects po niya ngayong semester ay PCI-60, which is Methods of Research, and also 200A, which is Undergraduate Thesis Part 1. Ayan, si Dr. Aris po ay currently nasa sa main campus po siya. Meron po siya equally important event na dinadala po doon. Pero sa ngayon po ay siya po ang Director for Research and Extension. Okay? Our next faculty member is another director, our Director for Quality Assurance, Planning and Development, Dr. Christopher G. Estornillo. Ang subjects for the Doc Chris ay PCI-60, which is Methods of Research, and also 200A, Undergraduate Thesis Part 1. Si Sir Chris din po, si Doc Chris din po ay nasa sa main campus. Kasama po ni Doc Aris. Ayan. Alright, so mga pride ng ating department. Okay, next faculty member, we have another doctor, Dr. Carlo Jose E. Nagabri. Siya po ngayon ang Intellectual Property Coordinator. Ang mga subjects po niya ngayong semester ay DCI-60, which is Methods of Research, and ITEC 200B, Capstone Project and Research 2, COSA-85 Lab, Networks and Communication. Once again, Dr. Carlo Jose E. Nagabri. Parang pangakunan na natin. Our next faculty member, we have Professor Lester Villanueva. So si Sir Lester po ang ating current na laboratory custodian. Ang subject po na handle ay ITEC 105, which is Network Management. Okay? Si Sir po ang ating talagang pagdating sa network, Sir Lester tayo. Diba? And troubleshooting. Alright, our next faculty member, si Sir Lester po. Nasaan po ba Sir Ed? Ayan, medyo hindi ata makapasok Sir Lester ngayon kasi nagpawit ata si Sir parang napaka-ata si Sir. Ayun. So, may kilala na naman si Sir. Yan lang siya lagi sa faculty. Next faculty member natin, we have our Unit Guidance Facilitator for Infotech. We have Professor Curly P. Meditante. Ayan. Si Ma'am Curly po ang subjects po niya ay HCCP, Fundamentals of Information Systems, PCI 21, Introduction to Computing, CBSE 101, Institutional Orientation, and PSHF 23, which is Applied Business Tools and Technologies. Parang si Ma'am Girlie yung isa sa magiging teacher niyo. Kasi itong mga subjects na ito ay mostly nasa first year. Tama po Ma'am Girlie? Ayan. So once again, si Ma'am Girlie po. Ma'am Girlie Meditante. Alright, our next faculty member, we have Ma'am Angela C. Carito, our GAD coordinator. Ang handle po ng subject ay DCIT 24 Information Management. Si Ma'am Carito po ngayon ay may inaasikaso ng TED. So may kita din po si Ma'am Angela. Diyan lang din siya lagi. Nasa faculty lang din ito si Ma'am. Alright, so sa General Development, siya po yung coordinator natin for our department. Okay? Our next faculty member, our program coordinator for BS COS, or the Bachelor of Science and Computer Science, we have Professor Alan John C. Muir. Ang subject po niya ay COSA 101, Computer Graphics and Visual Computing. Alright? Si Sir Alan po ay, asa yung galing po ba si Sir? Ayun. So yun. Our next faculty member, we have Professor Mary Ann Ignacio Penina. Ang subjects po niya na ay ECIT 22, Computer Programming 1. Ayan, nagiging paborito niya subject ito, Comprom 1. Diba? Ito na ang start ng inyong programming journey. Alright, si Ma'am Ida po ay may naasikaso rin. Kaya hindi siya nakadala dito. Alright, so next faculty member po natin, we have Professor Ana Marie C. Obon. Ayan, si Ma'am po, ang subject po niya this semester is COSA 75, Software Engineering 2. Ayan, si Ma'am Ana. Again, papakan natin Ma'am Ana Marie C. Obon. Alright, our next faculty member, we have Ma'am Raquel A. Catalan. Ang kanyang subject po ay DCIT 60, Digital Logic Design, DCIT 24, Information Management. So, yan, papakan natin si Ma'am Rax. Hindi po siya nakadalo ngayon kasi meron siyang kasikas. Not so many kasikas. Our next faculty member, and we have Ms. Mary Grace de la Cruz, our Junior Guidance Facilitator for BSCS. So kami na, sino ating Guidance Facilitator for BSC Infotech? Naalala si Ma'am Gertie. Para naman sa ating BSCS, ang ating guidance facilitator ay si Ma'am Mary Grace de la Cruz. Ang subjects po niya ay INSI 50, Fundamentals of Information Systems, DCIT 21, Introduction to Computing, CBS 101, Institutional Orientation, and BSH 23, Applied Business Tools and Technologies. So parang si Ma'am din ata ang isa sa magiging computer science students. Alright, si Ma'am ay hindi din pa kapuntaan. Okay, next faculty member po natin, we have Mr. Vince Lawrence de la Ria. Ayan, pakapagod natin. Ang subject po natin ay DCIT 55, which is Advanced Database Management System, POSAI 60 Digital Logic Design, and DCIT 50 Object-Oriented Programming. Ayan. Our next faculty member, we have Sir Ivan N. Toledo. Ang subject po na ay POSAI 55 Discrete Structure 2. Ayan, trapan natin si Sir Ivan. Alright, our next faculty member, we have Sir Jerwin F. Rubat, our Unit Research Coordinator for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, and ang isa po sa ating advisor, ang Senior Advisor ng CODE, which is ang ating student organization for computer science students. Later din po, papakilala natin sila at mag-discuss sila sa inyo. Ang subjects po na handle listed ay POSAI 200A, Undergraduate Thesis Part 1, POSAI 111, Internet of Things, and DCIT 50, Object-Oriented Programming. Parang si Sir Jerwin ata yung isa sa inikwento po. Talagang pag-programming tayo, Sir Jerwin. Para sa pagbabago. Next faculty member, we have Mr. Aaron Pinambakan, another advisor ng ating CODE. Ang subject na handle ni Sir ay DCIT 22, Computer Programming 1, and DCIT 26, Application Development and Emerging Technology. So kung si Sir Aaron din ang isa sa magiging teacher na ating mga first year students, since siya ay handle na Computer Programming 1. Ayan, pakapakunan nila ulit, Sir Aaron Pinambakan. Our next faculty member, we have Ms. Justin K. D. Sama. Ayan, ang mga subjects po na handle ng mga Kate ay ITEC 116, which is System Integration Architecture 2, TLE 3, Database Systems, ICT 111, Empowerment Technologies, and ITEC 106, which is Web System and Technologies 2. Alright, for our next faculty member, alright, we have Ms. Eliza Espiritu, our GAT coordinator. Ang subject na natin ng mga Eliza ay ITEC 101, which is Human Computer Interaction 2, and DCIT 26, Application Development and Emerging Technologies. Alright, next faculty member natin, we have John Christian O. Bernada, Sir Christian, and Sir JC. Ang subject na natin po ni Sir Christian ay POSAI 50, Discrete Structure 1, DCIT 22, Computer Programming 1, and ITEC 90, Network Fundamentals. Next faculty member natin, we have Sir Carl Ordonia. Ang subject po na natin ni Sir Carl ay ITEC 105, which is Network Management. Okay, next faculty member po natin, So once again, ito po ang buwan ng ating department, ang Department of Computer Studies. Affairs and Services for our National Service Training Program. Let us all welcome our NSTP in charge, Ms. Joanna K. Filosofo.
Thank you po, Sir Renato. Good morning po sa ating mga guro at kawani. At sa lahat ng mga mag-aaral, bago po ako mag-umpisa, gusto kong batiin sa magandang umaga at maligayang buwan ng wikang pambansa. August tama. Okay. So before I start, pwede ba ako
Hello.
Naku, nahihiya pa sila. Okay lang yan. Siyempre, ganyan talaga sa simula. Nahihiya pa tayo lahat, no? Sa totoo lang, sabay na rin ako. Kasi kakadating ko din lang dito sa Cavite State University, sikat campus. At gusto kong ipakilala ang aking sarili. Ako po ay si Mrs. Nila Sosa Castro. Ako ang inyong guidance counselor. Okay. So, and do you know how to be a Sikajan? How to
Hello, magandang umaga. Okay, Infotech students, magandang umaga. Our CSD President, Mr. Guillermo Parolan. CSD Vice President, Stephanie Rebullion. CSD Treasurer, Mark Justin Jimenez. CSG Auditor, Hamida Salem. CSG Business Manager, Zion Asti Bustamante. CSG PRO, John Cameron Miranda. And their CSG Advisor, for Senior Advisor, Ma'am Lady Calapio. And Junior Advisor, Ma'am Janice Marquez. So palakpakan po natin ang ating CSG officers. Meron po dito mga student leaders ng kanilang senior high. And sa ating computer science, ang inyong organizations naman, ganun din, since kayo ay enrolled for computer science, you are automatically member of your organization, which is the Computer Scientist and Developer Society. So they are your officers. Asan po ang ating code? Okay, code. So, pakilabas na po ang inyong OTP forms. Pakitaasan ng inyong mga kanang kamay. At sundan ang ating babanggitin pagkatapos ko basahin yung mga salita. Panunumpa sa tungkulin, ako si, bigkas ng inyong pangalan, na naihalal bilang inyong posisyon. Na pangalan ng organisasyon, ay nanunumpa sa aming tungkulin ngayong August 29, 2025 na magiging tapat, huwag, matuwid, at totoo sa aking sinumpaang tungkulin. Tutuparin ko ang mga gampanin para sa organisasyon at sa ikabubuti ng aking mga kapwa mag-aaral at ng aking paaralan. Ang Cavite State University. Kasi hanawa ko ng poong may kapal. Muli, palapakan po natin ang code and class.
Hello. Hello, good morning everyone from DCS. I am the president, I am the newly elected president of BAI. I was a former auditor of BAI. Ngayon, napili na ako ang gawing president.
Code and buying officers for this, for assisting in this
eventful day. I've seen all their efforts. As one of the senior advisors of the organizations of the department, I would like to thank you for all of your efforts, both of the organizations. You did a good job, so thank you. For our first year information technology and computer science students, I would also like to thank you for your participation in today's General Assembly, and personally, I would like to welcome you all to Cavite State University CCAT campus. Let me get ahead of it. College is hard. Our programs, information technology and computer science, is both hard. But here comes the fun part. Code and Byte are here to guide you. Me and the dedicated faculty members of our department will be more than happy to guide you, not just in your first year in college, but all throughout your college life. And earlier, you see some of the events that Byte and Code is planned for this academic year, and I would encourage each and every one of you to participate and enjoy, because those activities will be one of the best memories you look back to once you graduate your college life. And I know I said earlier that college is hard, but college is equally fun as well. So, see you sa mga activities na yun. And of course, not just in our departments, the whole university itself has a whole lot to offer when it comes to activities and events. And as I end my note, I would like every computer science and information technology freshman here in Discovery Club today to challenge yourselves. Get out of your comfort zones and evolve. Participate in every academic and non-academic events that the department and the university has to offer. Once again, welcome to Cavite State University, welcome to Byte and Code family, and welcome to the Department of Computer Science.
Thank you so much, Sir Lincoln. And now, we invite everyone to please rise for the releasing of the CBS Zero Hymn. Now, proceed po tayo sa tapos natin.